Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, this is Blackforex coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDJPY. But before we can get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help put some extra money in your pocket and to help you understand how these markets are moving, especially in these troubling times where it seems like it's going one way, then it's changing on you the very next. Okay, so that being said, let's go ahead and break down this chart and this currency pair. First, starting with the currency pair, because over here at Black Forex, we like to discuss what's happening on the currencies first before we dive into what is happening with the on the charts. Okay, so we're coming into this week with the JPY. Now it's a little tricky with the JPY. We're coming into this part of this trading week with actually the JPY still being one of our weaker currencies. It's just that we have had some positive news with the JPY, which is the reason why it is somewhat acting strong. But until the Japanese government takes a more active role in combating its inflation, we're going to still see more long-term trajectory weakness with the JPY, with temporary strength pickup anytime we have good news come out about the Japanese yen. And we did have some good news come out about the Japanese yen, some positive news come out about the Japanese yen, even though its economy is not doing too well, which henceforth is strengthening, which henceforth is showing Japanese yen as actively being strong. But even though it's actively strong, it is still one of our weaker currencies. Okay. Now the USD at this part of our trading week still remains one of our weaker currencies, and this is just solely due to now it's really getting beat up with the economic news. We're really getting a lot more negative news and positive news coming out about the USD. We also have rising gas prices as well, which is also having a negative effect on the value of the USD as a whole, and it's really due to the non-traditional relationship due to geopolitics and its relationship with oil. To have a good understanding of the geopolitics and how the geopolitics and the USD are related, I strongly suggest that you watch the USDCAD video. We go into great detail with that. So with the more negative than positive news coming out about the USD, the rising in oil prices, and the fact that the inflation is starting to look like we're probably starting to pick back up again, and we actually start to go into recession, which is causing people to doubt what is happening with the to cause people to doubt the USD. We're going to continue to see a weakening of the USD. So basically, any charts in which the USD is on the left hand side, you're going to be seeing those selling off. Any charts in which the USD is on the right hand side, okay, you're going to be seeing those buying off. That's called understanding currency structure. Okay, I may do a video on that. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments if you want to understand how currency structure works and what it means to have a currency on the left and right hand side. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to continue to see a drop in price. I would like this to be a little bit more aggressive than actually what it is doing, because it's like kind of playing pity pat or just bouncing. It's dropping in price, but it's not doing as smoothly as I would like, which will lead me to believe that the buyers are still not out of the building. So I wouldn't be surprised that if price jumps up to here or here before it actually continues to go down, because it looks like it's still going to continue to go down, but it still looks like it has some buying left to do. So, like I said, we may go as high as even here or here before we start to go back down. Okay, and this only will happen if the fundamentals remain as it is now, with because we're dealing with two weak currencies. But if the USD remains the weaker of the two, we're going to continue to see that this chart is selling off. Okay. But this shows you how weak that the Japanese yen is because the USD is very weak and the Japanese yen is so weak to the point that it's driving price down, but it's definitely not driving price down as aggressively as it should when compared to the other USD charts in which the USD is on the left hand side. So we are going to see a slight pickup in price to here or here before it continues to go down. How far can we go down? Looks like this area is going to be the target area for the down move, and this area is going to be the target area for the temporary up retracement move. Okay. If you guys enjoy our content, we ask that you guys please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up-to-date information and notifications on every time we drop new Forex and trading content. Also, we ask that you guys please like and share the videos. Liking and share the videos allows our videos to get pushed further out there into YouTube, so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders. Because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Also, last but certainly not least, we ask that you guys please reach out to us and let us know what type of market analysis videos you guys do want to see. You can leave a comment in whatever video that you do watch to let us know what you want to see, or you can reach out to us through our email or our social media. The links to our email and our social media is in every description of every video. Okay, so please reach out to us and let us know what charts that and what type of charts and market analysis videos you guys do want to see, so we know how to best to accommodate and serve you. Okay, and with that being said, happy trading.